Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm actually going over to Brendan's house. He's got the M240i. So he just got an intake in today. We're going to throw that in for him because he's stock right now. And hopefully that turbo will make some nice noise. So depending on how this goes, this could be like a how-to video. I'm not too sure yet if he's already got it going or whatnot. But basically this is going to be a video on the M240i with intakes and how it sounds. And just how it looks and everything. So I guess I'll show you guys when we get to his house. Alright, so we're at Brendan's. We just pulled out this stock air box. It's just like some rubber coupler things here. And you can see his turbo right there. Twin scroll. So here's his intake. He got looks like MST intake. So we're gonna be throwing this thing in, so hopefully it makes some cool noises now. Alright, we just put this little heat shield in. Just mocking up the pipe that will just go from here right in here, and the comb will sit in here. And I assume this plate will just be a top plate just like that. So almost done. Just pulled out the lower pipe right here. Brendan's just transferring the MAF, and then it should be simple as just putting everything back together once he's done with that. Alright, everything's done here except we just gotta tighten the MAF. I got all this fitted up. We're just gonna, this cover just screws on right there like that, and then we're just gonna tighten down the MAF, and then it'll be completely done. Alright, so this is how it looks all complete, full cover and everything, and then the black charge pipe is down here. So that's it, completely done. We're gonna take it out now and see how it sounds. No lights or anything? Check for leaks. Yeah, there's nothing. It feels really solid. That sounded pretty sick. Sounds different. Oh, I just heard that, dude. You hear that?
That was like less than 2,000.
I hear it. I hear it. It's going. There you go. There's some. Check engine light.
I feel like the purple.
Lugging it builds boost the most.
That's what you want.
Well, not like you don't gotta fucking rip it. Took this thing for a drive with the intake. It's not that loud, but he's gonna be going MHD stage 1 soon now that he's got the intake. And next up, we're putting these little door lights in. You won't tell me what they are. I'm assuming it's either the M logo or the BMW logo. It's definitely the M1 though. So we'll see in a second. Alright, so this guy got the M Performance stripes right here because this thing is an M Performance. So had to give it some spice. Alright, so here's a startup. Oh, I gotta go into Sport. Sport Plus. I think that's all you do. Alright guys, so that was just the install of the intake on B's M240i. I'll probably do a video on that car like in itself, but he wants to get MHD. It's It's like a tuning program for BMWs. I'm sure a lot of you guys know what that is, but he's going to be getting that, and when he does that and flashes his car, we'll do a review on it. And all he needed was intakes for it, so he's ready for it. I think he's going to be doing it in like a week or so. But the intake wasn't too loud, but everything else on his car is stock, so I didn't really expect it to be too loud, but it does make a couple cool turbo noises. I'm not sure if the video is going to do it justice. It probably won't, but yeah, that's pretty much all the video is for today. It's short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.